Hi, it's Yui. Welcome to my channel, Chibi Chef Inspired Japanese Cooking. Today, I'd like to show you how to cook ginger chicken breast. Ginger pork is one of the more popular Japanese dishes, but to make it healthier by maintaining the same level of deliciousness, I sometimes cook it with chicken breast. So let's get started. First, cut the chicken breast diagonally into 1-inch thick pieces. Then tenderize the chicken pieces with the back of your knife. I like making big thin sliced pieces for this recipe, but you can make the pieces smaller if you prefer. Put them in the Ziploc bag or bowl, then add sugar and sake. Sugar and sake both work well for tenderizing the meat. Then let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes in the fridge. While marinating the chicken, let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, add soy sauce, mirin, and a grated ginger. Then mix them well. It's much easier to just use chopped ginger, but since the ginger is actually the main spice for this recipe, it will be more flavorful if you use the fresh ginger. Go back to the chicken. Open the Ziploc bag again, and add potato starch there and mix them well just before grilling. I often use potato starch for meat dishes. It's great since it will prevent losing the tasty meat juice and also makes the meat surface crispy. Now time to grate the meat. Add cooking oil in a pan over medium heat, and when the pan is hot, add the chicken pieces one by one. Cook until nicely charred. It take a few minutes. Check the sides attached to the pan, and if they get the grill marks, flip them to the other side. If you have a lid which is a little bit smaller than the pan, place the meat with the lid to get those nice grill marks, and they will cook faster. But it's totally optional, and you can press the meat by a spatula too. When the chicken is fully cooked, add the ginger soy sauce and cook them together for 1 minute or 2. If it starts getting burned, lower the heat or stop cooking. Then it's done! We often serve the ginger pork with some shredded cabbage in Japan, so I did the same for this ginger chicken. I mixed some carrots in there to give the dish a nice bright color. The slightly sweet soy sauce is rich, but the ginger adds some tangy freshness. Authentic Japanese one-plate dish. Boom! Also, you can have it as a rice bowl. Prepare warm cooked rice and place the ginger chicken pieces on the rice. Of course, this is so tasty, but I need my favorite topping bodies: mayonnaise, green onion, and red chili pepper. Tastes wonderful for sure, and they'll make the dish appear more appetizing. By using the chicken breast, I feel so much healthier than with the pork, so I have to be careful because it goes great with rice, so I need to watch myself. Hope you liked the recipe, and it would be great if you give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and see you again. またね